Hello, financial fans. All is well. I thought I was going to have to put on my red shirt. I was looking at red ink on the account here at TD Ameritrade, but now it's up 0.14%, so a tiny move upward. And the S&P 500, where is it? Right here, is up 0.01 at this time, and the Dow Jones Industrial is down 0.03%. And the NASDAQ is up 0.19, so NASDAQ beats me and everybody else right at this moment. And I'm going to take a look at some of the stocks I've got that are performing pretty well, and I'll make a purchase here and let you watch. Go to my positions here. One of my stocks is doing amazingly well, I think. Let me see what it's doing today. NIO, N-I-O. Where in the world is it? NIO. Today is up 0.195, 19.5 cents. Now it's 18.5 cents. And it's up 11.9% for me since I bought it. But apparently big things are happening for NIO. Let me see some of my other stocks here that have huge gains or huge losses. We have a 57.7% upward movement, 57.75% upward movement BNGO. And I want to see what Amazon's doing now that Jeff Bezos made his announcement. Amazon is up, and it's up okay, and it's up 68% since I bought it. So Amazon's doing well, and we'll see what happens when Jeff Bezos goes into space. Another stock, BETS, BETZ, is up 12.45% for me. By the way, I'm not a financial advisor. I merely let people watch while I trade stocks or talk about stocks and show how I analyze a stock. And the stock that I'm going to be looking at today, I have to actually write in and look up the symbol. I know it's got 5 letters. TOSYYA, which is TOSYY. That's the stock I'm going to be buying because it's got a special dividend coming. I have no idea how big it's going to be. And as soon as it pays a special dividend, the stock will drop like a rock, I believe. I do not recommend this. This is a very risky one. Also, it has very low volume. Where is the volume on this? I do not see the volume. The beta is 0.08, so it trades about the same as the market in general. PE ratio 17.35, which is good, and this is Toshiba, which is, where's my symbol again? TOSYY, I think. I don't see it on the page here. I think I have to slide this. Toshiba Corp. And it's over the counter, which is also bad. TOSYY. And the average volume 9,500. So it's not a stock I would ever recommend investing in. I just want to invest in and see if I trade it before it drops. I think I can make a few dollars in a week's time. So we'll see if I'm right. What I do now is go to trade. If you get an online broker, you will trade online. Go to stocks and ETFs. Buy quantity. I'll put down the quantity that I'm going to buy. Is that right? Okay, and TOSYY is the symbol. TOSYY. Why am I buying this? TOSYY market day review order. And let me see what the review says I'm doing here. And the review says, where is it? That's why. Okay, this is over the counter, so it gets a different look. The order is not completed until you review order. Orders to buy with the bulletin board must be limit or stop limit orders. Okay, it has to be a time and day order type. I'll put down limit, time in force, day, and price. And the price, what is the price? At the moment it's $21.56, $21.70. So I'll price it at 22 and review order day 2200, and if this works fine, and if not, place order. Okay, and status, the action is by, it's okay, it is already filled. It filled very quickly, and I don't know why, but it did. Now I'll go back and look at my account, my positions, and I'll see what TOSYY looks like in there, and it'll either be up or down just in the past few seconds. Less than a minute ago I bought it, and the TOSYY right now is 0%. It's not moved at all. And also UFO, by the way, I bought, as you know, those of you who follow my channel here, I bought UFO because of all the conversations going on about UFOs, and somebody's going to have to say something worthwhile, or this could drag on for a long time. It's up 0.249, it's up 0.25 today. UFO is trading at 30.99, and where am I over here? UFO is up 2.68% since I bought it. So let's look at TOSYY again. Still standing steady. Still standing steady. That sounds like a song title. Maybe Still Going Steady would be a good song title. So anyway, I'm going to log out here. Thank you for watching. Thank you for joining me. And the stock market climbs a wall of worry. So if you're worried about the future, then that's probably good for the stock market. And as of right now, my portfolio is up 0.14% for today.